Hi guys, today we're gonna be filming the skid steer since I have no school. It's Tuesday, so this is awesome. So as you can see, it's right down there. I'll be coming down here pretty soon. There he is, guys. There it is for you. Pretty nice, right? So yeah, look at our drive now compared to it when it was old. Look at that. Oh, and if you didn't know, now I'm just showing you something. I got new 3DS. So yeah, if you didn't know, I got new 3DS. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later.